Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Karen Breyer, and today we are making date paste. This is a super simple recipe that comes in really handy to sweeten recipes. I like to put date paste in my smoothies, on my oatmeal, and you can use it in baking and cooking and substitute date paste for more unhealthy sweeteners. So it's really easy to make. The ingredients in this recipe are pitted dates, water, and vanilla, and that's it. So easy. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to put our dates in a bowl, and we're going to cover it with water. About 2 cups of water should be enough. And when you measure out your dates, you want to pack them. So now we're going to go ahead and cover our dates, put them in the refrigerator for a few hours till they get soft or overnight. I just happen to have some that I soaked already, so we'll use those. Alright, here's my soaked dates. So the next thing we need to do is we just need to drain off the extra liquid. We're going to keep the liquid though because we may use it when we blend our dates. And our dates are nice and soft and rehydrated now. Okay, so I want to save this liquid. So we're going to put our dates and our vanilla in. You need a strong blender or a food processor. So I have a Vitamix that's pretty strong. So put the dates in there. And 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Okay, we're going to blend the dates and the vanilla until it's smooth. We'll add some liquid if we need it to make it more smooth. Okay, I'm going to add a little liquid. You don't want to add too much because if you're using this for baking, you don't want to add a lot of extra liquid to your recipe. It could give you a negative outcome with your results. We'll just put a little bit at a time, and we want the paste nice and smooth. Okay, I'm going to check it. It's still kind of lumpy, so I'm going to add a little more water, not too much. Okay, so let's check our date paste. It looks very nice and smooth. So it's ready. All we need to do is pour it into our dish. We're going to store it in the refrigerator. It does get a little bit more thick in the refrigerator. Okay, here we go. And there we have our date paste. Ready, nice and creamy for our recipes. I usually make double or triple the recipe because I use date paste a lot in baking. So watch for some of my recipes where I use date paste. And let me know what you like to use date paste in. Okay, I'll see you in the next lesson.